It's a 2005 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Features include dual-zone air conditioning, a 6-speaker sound system with a CD player, numerous power accessories, 16-inch alloy wheels, and 4-wheel vented anti-lock disc brakes. It also comes with a potent 275 horsepower V6 engine, 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, and fully independent suspension. The rack and pinion steering and trailering hitch make it hard to pass up.
Get your daily vitamin D by opening up the sunroof. The high-quality leather trim enhances the style, comfort, and durability of this vehicle's seats, ensuring an enjoyable drive.
Numerous special features, proven mechanical systems, and a comfortable, spacious interior make this Trailblazer a great value. See it for yourself today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.